Hi guys, sorry for the background noise. So today we've been getting subscribers so fast. Thank you so much. I wouldn't be more grateful. So in terms of that, I did get scanned for my unicorn as you saw my recent video. I still have not gotten that unicorn. She blocked me. I made a backup account and I sent it on there. She never sent it me. So yeah, I'm so patient though. So yeah, for this we're gonna be doing a giveaway, a bad dragon giveaway. Cause like you guys been getting me subscribers fast. So yeah, tell friends to subscribe. Cause I told y'all to tell friends to subscribe, and you never told them. So you better tell y'all friends to subscribe so we can hit 50 for a face review. Yeah. Also stop giving me dislikes. Yeah. Bye. Also, I was want to point out, if you are really nice enough to give me a unicorn, I'll take it. And if you don't have to. So yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit that, turn on that bell so you can get notified every single time I post. I will try to post every day. If I can't, I might post sometimes late because I'm really busy. So yeah. When we have 50, I will be doing some videos. And yeah, do a room tour as well. When I hit 100 and favorite at 50. Bye. And if you're like more of a girly girl, not like boys, and you don't want a fat dragon, I will be doing a giveaway of flamingo. So you get to pick, put your username in the comments below, like the video, and comment which one you want if you win the giveaway. The flamingo or the back dragon. Please like the video and comment your username and tell me which one you want. Rideable back dragon or this. And if you have 10 friends to subscribe, you will definitely win and get this one. So yeah, like again, subscribe, like the video, turn on notifications, notified every time post and share. So yeah, just like the video, subscribe, let me know in the comments below which one you want. Rideable bat dragon or rideable flamingo. You already know, I already said it. Yeah, bye. Also, I do have merch, so in my next video, let me know also in the comments below if you want me to show you the merch. I will if y'all told me to in the next video tomorrow. Bye. Also, have a good night.